Oil prices are on a deep ride to the south at the moment. They remain under pressure. Any rallies that we're seeing are vulnerable to being sold. We're flirting around the big psychological 50 mark at the moment. Markets are just waiting to see what OPEC do, right? Whether they're going to extend the output cuts, how much they're going to reduce the amount of that's being pumped into the oil markets right now, because there's a lot of supply. There's still gluts. We continue to see builds in the Department of Energy data and the EIA data, the amount of stockpiles there. There's a falling amount of global demand, and that's not being helped by what's going on in China as well. China, are the world's largest importer of oil, right? They're the largest importer of oil. So if there's potentially an economic slowdown in the country, what do you think is going to happen to oil demand? It's going to fall. What's going to happen to oil prices if there's a falling demand from the world's largest importer of oil? It's going to fall. So OPEC are actually under discussion at the moment. They're waiting upon Russia, because OPEC over the years have sort of lost a bit of their significance. Why? Because US are still pumping a lot of oil, and so are Russia, still pumping. They're huge producers of oil. So at the moment, OPEC, before they make a decision on how much they're looking to cut in terms of supply in the market, they're waiting for Russia, and Russia are still umming and ahhing, okay, for their own selfish reasons right now. So that's why the oil market still remains extremely vulnerable to some further downside. And I believe that the markets may have priced in somewhat this potential action to come. The only way it's going to say oil prices are going to be saved for the short term is if OPEC and Russia collectively together come out with greater cuts and for a longer period of time than the markets are anticipating. If they don't, okay, then oil slammed. If Russia don't participate, oil slammed even further. Big moves to the downside eyed, okay guys? So that's just update at the moment. Just keep an eye. Any rallies that you see with oil, if you are an oil trader, very much likely to be short-lived as the markets anxiously wait upon what's going to happen between OPEC and Russia. Other than that, guys, don't hesitate to check out our fundamental course at forexfundamentals.io. We teach all of this, baby, and how to implement that into the charts. And we do cover daily analysis, fundamentals and technicals every single day, regularly throughout the day. 24/7. Actually, not 24/7, more so 24/6. Other than that, that's it from me. Let's get it.